Introducing the new universal grill mount from Slow Subies. It can still use toggle bolts and anchors, but is now slotted for zip ties on grills with larger openings.
Here we demonstrate how to install the version 5 mount using the zip ties and without requiring access to the back of the grill. You can see here exactly how the zip ties fit into the grooves on the mount. We'll start by looping the zip ties onto the grill in the desired location. You can do this from the front, so there is no need to remove the grill from the car. Be sure to leave enough room for the mount to slide inside the loops. Position the mount on the crosspiece and line up the zip ties with the grooves. While holding the mount in position, tighten down the zip ties. This part can get a little tricky. The notch across the back of the mount is meant to align with the leading edge of the crosspiece. It will tend to pop out of place until both zip ties are snug. While keeping the mount in place, tighten the zip ties as tight as they can go. Make sure they are as tight as possible. You won't be able to make them tighter after the next step. Use scissors or some type of snips to trim the excess off of the zip ties. The grill badge is the smaller one in the set and attaches to the mount with a single piece of 3M double-sided tape. After peeling the back off the tape, position the badge so that it covers the mount. And that's all there is to it. Your grill badge is now mounted using zip ties. Putting the zip tie loops on the bottom can further hide the mount behind the badge. Let us know how your version 5 grill mount works out for you. And thanks for visiting.